Hello, Randy Rain here, and I was looking for something different to do for this channel, and I came across the Shark Attack. Now, I do remember this game, but I have never played it. Now, supposedly this one does not work, and it doesn't really look like there's much to it. And I'm supposed to have all the pieces, but let's see what the Shark Attack is made out of. First of all, everything shows a blue fish, red fish, green fish, yellow fish, but you get a white fish. There's no blue fish. And is this just a slowly spinning thing that just supposed to make it move ever so often? This thing came out in 1988. In 1987, they heard a new Jaws movie was coming out, so they thought it'd be a good idea to put out a shark game. And then Jaws the Revenge came out, and so they decided to put out a piece of crap game too. It's a slot screwdriver. That's okay. Gee, thanks, Milton Bradley. What the hell is that? Somebody just try to fix that and put this rubber band in there to hold that in there. Why they put this back on? That's weird. That couldn't have been from the factory, right? They put a rubber band around here. They did that just so they could do that. Put that in easier. Well, geez, now I'm going to have to get another one just to see if it has a rubber band on there. That seems weird. I see a big giant worm drive moving all these gears. So yes, it's just a slow moving this thing. This battery is perfectly fine. Oh, it is working. I was told it doesn't work. Still gonna look inside. It's a weird little thing got going here. Now that's a worm drive right there. Glad it's not cracked, because I don't have one of those. Yep. These are all, just idle gears. It's pretty nicely made. Yeah, the only thing wrong was the motor. I'm just sure it hadn't turned in a long time. They should have just banged on it. Yeah, looks in good shape. Oh, lithium grease there. Sounds like there's an animal in there. That's a new one. Will you come off of there? Yes. Come off of there. There we go. Oh yeah, that shark's a lot faster now. Let's put this back on. Huh. That to keep it from, so it scoops them up or something. I don't know. I think that's the way it went. Well, that sure doesn't spin very well. Definitely doesn't spin now. I'll knock that little piece off. Didn't mean to do that. Well, isn't that great? I'm just going to cut you down like this. Yeah, well, at least it spins now. Now that leaves this little paper tear here. I'm just going to go with a glue stick. This is perfect thing for a glue stick right here. I went to go put the battery door in and realized this is wrong. That doesn't go there. This goes down here. And this is for the dumb battery door that you have to have a slot screwdriver for. Okay, so these things, one of these goes up here. And put that there. And that goes there. And the shark goes up under. guess that's why they went with white here, because so much blue. Blue on blue wouldn't be good here, so they went with the white. So there it is, the shark attack from Milton Bradley. A pretty easy one to fix. But if you're still not up to fixing one, this one is on eBay right now. A kid would love this game, so go put down a bid and help out the channel. But you want to see it in action? Well, here it is. Okay, so how the game works is there's 2 dice, and they each have 3 colors on them. Some dice have 2 of the same color, like white and white. Then there's only 1 white over here. There's 2 red here, and only 1 red here. So altogether, there are 3 chances to come up for each of the 4. So pretty much the game is just luck from the dice roll. So really, to me, this is just a kid's game. Place the shark behind the dotted line of the game board in its start position, as shown in figure 7. So yeah, here's the dotted lines. The shark is supposed to start right there. And each player chooses 1 color fish to play and places it on the matching color game board fish in its start position. The player who owns the last uneaten fish wins the game. So pick your color. Yellow, green. Oh, yellow's out. Uh-oh. Nothing. Oh, green. I'll hold you. No, I didn't get you. No, you're chomped. You're chomped. Oh, and it's white for the win. All right, so it's more fun than I gave it credit for. And it's on eBay right now. And so some kids or some drunk people would really have fun with this. So go put down a bid on eBay. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people here. These are the patrons. These are the people helping me out, bringing you the Milton Bradley shark attack, showing how easy these can be fixed and all that. So I thank them oh so very much. And you should too if you wanted to fix a shark attack. So anyway, there's perks and links and stuff, so go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and go put a bid down on eBay for the shark attack.